Hello children, welcome to your maths class. In the previous video, we discussed about the expanded and short form of decimals. In this video, we will discuss about types of decimals and comparing decimal numbers. Moving on to types of decimals. We have like decimals. They have same number of decimal places, which means that after the decimal point, the number of digits are same. Here 2.8, 34.7, 439.1. Considering like decimals, we will concentrate only on the digits after the decimal point. After the decimal point, here in the first number we have one digit, in the second number also we have one digit, and in the third number also we have one digit. That means they all are like decimals. If after decimal point there have been two digits in all the three numbers, even then they would have been like decimals. Coming to unlike decimals, they have different number of decimal places. Here is the example: 2.8, 34.75, 439.108. After the decimal, in the first number it is one digit, in the second number there are two digits, and in the third number there are three digits. So all the decimal places are different. That is why this group of numbers are unlike decimals. We can convert unlike decimals into like decimals by adding zeros in the end of the decimal part, that is towards the right side of the decimal point in the last. For example, here we have unlike decimals: 0.93, 4.8, 3.451. Here after decimal there are two digits. Here it is 1 and here it is 3. So to convert it into like decimals, we will make all the numbers with 3 decimal places, as the highest one is 3, like this, by adding zeros: 0.930, 4.800, 3.451. This already had 3 digits. This was having only 1 digit, so we added 2, and this was having 2 digits, so we added 1. Now all the 3 numbers are like decimals. Adding zeros towards the end of the decimal part does not change the value of the number. Equivalent decimals: adding or removing zeros at the end of the decimal number does not change its value, as I told you just now. So we can convert any decimal number and find its equivalent by adding zeros towards its right. For example, 0.5 is equal to 0.50 is equal to 0.500 is equal to 0.5000, and we can go on and on like this. Here is another example: 2.4 is equal to 2.40 is equal to 2.400 is equal to 2.4000. We can add any number of zeros towards the right side of the decimal part. Now coming on to comparing of decimal numbers. To compare decimal numbers, the first step is that we first compare the whole part of the decimal numbers, that is the first part before the decimal point. For example, in this it is 532 in this number and 682. Clearly 682 is a bigger number, so 682.26 is greater than this number. But if we have same whole number, then we move on to the decimal part. For example, here 42.36 and 42.68. Now whole number in both the cases is 42 and 42. Now we'll look at the decimal part. It is 0.36 and 0.68. Clearly 68 is bigger, so 42.68 is the bigger number. 682.26 is greater than 532.48. 42.36 is less than 42.68. But if after the whole number, the decimal part is also have common numbers, then we compare digit by digit. Here just concentrate on this example. We have 19.023 and 19.027. So first we compare the whole numbers. They are the same, 19. Then after that digit 0, 0, again same. Second 2, 2, again same. 3 and 7. Now clearly 7 is bigger. So therefore 19.023 is less than 19.027. Ascending and descending order. As you all know, ascending order is arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest, and descending order is arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Here are the numbers given to us: 4.030, 4.702 and 4.021, and we have to arrange it in ascending order. Now all the numbers are starting with 4, so we move on to the next digit, 0, 7, 0. 7 is obviously bigger, so we leave this. We concentrate on the other two numbers. We move to the next number, 3 and 2. Clearly 2 is smaller than 3, so the smallest number will be 4.021. Next number will be 4.030 and next one 4.702. Coming to descending order, that is arranging from biggest to smallest, 0.02, 0.2, 0.21. Now here you can see that this number has 2 decimal places, this number also has 2 decimal places, and this number has only 1 decimal place. In that case, we can just add a 0 after 2. The value will remain the same, but we will have 2 decimal places after in each of the numbers, and so it will become easier for us to compare. Now comparing 0, 2 and 2. So 0 is smaller. We look for 2 and 2 here. If we add 0 here, 0 and 1. Clearly 1 is bigger. So the biggest number will be 0.21. The next will be 0.2 and the next one will be 0.02. Hope the concept is clear to you. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Do practice sums and you will master the concept. Thank you.